Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to bend letters in Photopea. Let's begin. I already first of all open your or create new project, then type text example hello, then double click selected. You can use warp after rasterize or before rasterize, that as you wish. Here see bend vertical, horizontal or change flag bend and use custom warp. Right click, select the text, right click on your mouse, rasterize, then again select corner, again right click on your mouse, warp, then warp. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.